Black Friday 2023 has arrived early, and Samsung is making waves with an incredible deal on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 that is leaving tech enthusiasts in awe. With a jaw-dropping $1,345 discount, this offer is not only the best we've seen for the Galaxy Z Fold 5, but also one of the most comprehensive, offering a 25% discount, doubled storage, and additional trade-in incentives. The link to this offer is in the description. Samsung's Black Friday deal for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 starts with an impressive 25% discount, but the savings don't stop there. To sweeten the deal, Samsung is doubling the storage capacity for free, upgrading the device from 256 GB to a generous 512 GB. And if that wasn't enough, Samsung provides users with more options to save by offering trade-in values of up to $1,000. What sets this Black Friday deal apart is the remarkable trade-in values offered by Samsung. Unlike pre-order deals, this promotion allows users to get up to $1,000 off by trading in a variety of eligible devices, including the Galaxy S23 Ultra, Galaxy Fold 4, or Galaxy Fold 3. Even more enticing is the fact that more phones are now eligible for the full $1,000 discount, a substantial increase from the usual trade-in values. Central to maximizing your savings is Samsung's push for users to shop through its proprietary app, Shop Samsung. By clicking on special deal links from a mobile device with the Shop Samsung app installed, users receive an additional 25% off the Galaxy Z Fold 5, making the deal even more irresistible. While some may find this requirement slightly inconvenient, the hundreds of dollars saved are well worth the effort. It's crucial to grasp how the various discounts and trade-ins work together. If you opt for a trade-in, the trade-in value is applied before the 25% discount. For those without a trade-in, the 25% discount is applied to the full price. Moreover, Samsung is throwing in a free upgrade from 256 GB to 512 GB storage, a $120 value, further enhancing the value of this Black Friday deal. As an extra incentive, Samsung is offering a bonus of $25 off for first-time users of the Shop Samsung app. When all these discounts come together, a potential saving of up to $1,345 is within reach. For instance, with a $1,000 trade-in, a 25% discount, a free storage upgrade, and the $25 bonus, you could snag the Galaxy Z Fold 5 for just $575, a remarkable price compared to its regular cost of $1,919. The link to the offer is in the description.